YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the home AC running dual running capacitor. So let's go and then I unbox this. This is by TEMCO. Well, I bought one for the customer last time, about 2 years ago, and then it went out again, so I got this out of eBay directly from TEMCO Industry, and this one was like $12.99 plus tax, so the total damage is about 14 something, less than 15 bucks. And this time around it came with the box, and this one is the 45 microfarad plus 5 microfarad, and then plus minus 5%. So the green one is a fan, you have the Herm, and then G is ground, the black one. Okay. Anyway, I gotta go and then install this one. Yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.